Hi, if you want to create dual app on your Poco X7, then you should open settings. Here we need to scroll down and find this apps section, and after that you'll see dual apps option. So choose it, and now you'll see this list which supports dual app feature. For example, let me just disable TikTok and show you how you can do this. Here you can enable some of the apps to create additional one. We can do it with TikTok, for example, so tap on the switcher and here choose to turn on dual app for Google services. And after that, this dual app would be created. So we can go back to our home screen, and here it is. This is clone of this main TikTok app because we can see this orange bubble icon in it. So basically with dual apps, you can use your main app for one account for one type of data and your cloned app for another account and another type of data, which is really cool. We can do the same for Facebook, for example. So just tap here. And also you can personalize it. You can choose to share to Facebook, always ask, or choose default app or dual app. Sign in using default app or dual app. Like using Google Assistant with default app or dual app, so you can actually customize it. Now let's find dual app of Facebook, and here it is. So this is main app, just plain icon. And this one is dual app with orange bubbled icon in it. We can also go back in the setting. Here tap settings icon, and you can check information about dual apps, and you can delete dual apps accounts. So if you want to delete all dual apps alone with their accounts and app data, then tap blue button to delete, and they would be gone from your home screen. Your phone would be actually restarted. So don't worry, it will turn back on just in a couple of seconds. And yep, here it is, it's turning on. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.